Alright, so boys and girls, we have a quick lesson today. Today's lesson is Chapter 4, Section 6. The name of this lesson is Multiply Fractions. So, boys and girls, for multiplying fractions, the rules are this. 1. Negative signs go with the top number, that's the numerator. 2. You multiply straight across, and that's on top and bottom. So, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. And then 3, and I'm putting a little star there instead of the number 3, because sometimes you need to do this, sometimes you don't. Turn any mixed numbers into improper fractions first. And that's it for the rules. So let's see some examples. We'll start out with the easy ones. 1/2 times 2/3. So, no improper fractions, no negative signs to worry about. Just go straight across on top and bottom. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 3, 6. We can reduce this. Top and bottom are both even, so I can divide them by 2. I get 1/3. Next example. Negative 1/3 times 2/5. So no mixed numbers. Negative sign goes with the top, so I get negative 1 times 2. That's going to be negative 2. On bottom, 3 times 5, 15. Can't reduce it. Done. Next example. Negative 2 1/3 times 1/2. Okay, for this one, turn this into an improper fraction first. 3 times 2 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, so we have 7/3. Since this was negative, that's negative. Negative 7 times positive 1 is going to be negative 7. 3 times 2 is going to be 6.
You always put it as a negative if one of the signs?
The rules for negative: if the signs are different, the answer is negative. If the signs are the same, the answer is positive. You can review that if you want to, Multiplying Integers, Chapter 3.
Okay.
So, or use your calculator. 7 negative times 1. Boom. Now, we've got an improper fraction here. We need to make this into a mixed number. If you want to, you can do the long division, or hopefully you can do this one in your head. 6 goes into 7 one time with the remainder of 1. Denominator 6. Since this was negative, this is going to be negative. Last example. Negative 5 times negative 1 1/3. Alright, so for this one, you make this into a fraction by putting it over 1. Now we have negative 5 over 1 times, and make this into an improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So we have 4/3. Since this was negative here, it's negative here. Now, I've got negative 5 times negative 4. Signs are the same, so the answer is positive. We have 20. On bottom, 1 times 3 is 3. Now, if you need to do the long division to turn this into a mixed number, you can. You can use your calculator to assist you, or do it in your head. 3 goes into 20 6 times. The remainder is 2. The reason why it goes in there 6 times is because 6 times 3 is 18. The remainder is 2. Denominator is 3. Done. And that is multiplying fractions.